back to another video. Real trucking gang within this week. I've been gone for a little minute. Yeah, an update. So I recently swapped out trucks. I am in international. We recently had some snow, some bad weather over the past week. And I wasn't able to get out to crank my truck up. So now I had to get a jump start from another vehicle, another pickup truck. And these codes popped on the dash. If I can show you. So usually with these internationals, what I have been told is when you get a jump start from another vehicle, these codes will pop up. So usually what works, just let the truck run maybe about 30 minutes or so, just so the battery terminals can reset and everything resets. Told to turn it off maybe about 10 minutes or something and crank it back up.